Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make a beef curry today. It takes a little while to get it nice and tender. It's very spicy, it's delicious, it's easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in this mixing bowl, we've got 500 grams or about 1 pound of beef cubed. 1 teaspoon salt, pepper. 1 teaspoon cumin, coriander, chili powder. A little bit of oil. Mix. Oil, cumin seeds, black pepper, curry leaves, 20 seconds. Beautiful, seasoned beef, below medium heat, 15 minutes. Beautiful. 1 cup onion. Tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 4 minutes. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Absolutely incredible. Okay, fresh chili to taste. 3 tomatoes. 1 cup water. Above medium heat. 7 to 8 minutes. You can see that the tomatoes have broken right down now, which is great. Okay, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric. We're going to get this onto a simmer, really low, lid on. We're going to let this go for maybe 20 to 30 minutes. That looks amazing, doesn't it? Off goes the heat, that's cooked right down, beautiful. Now, depending on the quality of your meat, you might want to stew it out a bit more. I'm going to just finish this with a little bit of garam masala powder, just a little pinch. If you want some cilantro, for me, that is absolutely delicious. And there you have it, beef curry, job done. Absolutely marvellous, darling, marvellous. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.